So hi everyone, as for today, the thing that I learned new is all about editing, and this is my example. Prelim individual activity number 2, audio visual demonstration of safe food handlers. So for our objectives, discuss the importance of hand wash, demonstrate the step of hand washing, gives example of activities that needs hand washing, discuss the do's and don'ts in preparation area. So why is it so important? Hand washing your hands properly is one of the most important things you need to do to prevent and control the spread of illnesses that can be transmitted to you. Also, as a food producer, it is important to do the proper hand washing to avoid transmission of diseases to your customers and for you to maintain the quality of your product. So these are the steps in proper hand washing. So first is wet your hands and put your preferred choice of soap. Next is rub your hands from palm to palm. Third is rub the right palm over to the left palm. Fourth is rub your palm to palm with the finger interlaced to one over the another. Fifth, for the nails, use the back of your finger opposing the palm with the finger interlaced. Sixth, rub in circular motion your right and left thumb. Seventh, rubbing back and forth your palm with the use of your nails. Then lastly, rinse it with water and dry it with a clean towel. So that's are the procedures on how to do your proper hand washing. So now let's go to the 5 activities that needs hand washing. Wash your hands before handling raw foods. Wash your hands after washing the dishes. Wash your hands before touching your face. Wash your hands before and after eating. Wash your hands after touching some animals. Do's and don'ts in preparation area. So for the do's, first is wear the prescribed PPE, also known as personal protective equipment. Second is check the label first before preparing. Third is wash your hands and clean your station before and after you prepare. Fourth is separate the wet and dry products to avoid cross-contamination. Lastly is be organized in your products and also be organized in your plate. So for the don'ts, don't use the same cutting board in any raw food such as vegetable, meats, and fruits. Second is don't be so confident in using knives to avoid any hazards. Third is don't put the raw and cooked foods in the same area to avoid cross-contamination. Fourth is don't use wooden tools and metals. Lastly, don't be so clumsy to avoid any accident.